Today, we'll walk you through how extractors work in Enterprise h2oGPTe, where you'll learn how to use an extractor to convert unstructured document content into structured JSON data. This is extremely useful for pulling specific metrics and fields from business documents like SEC filings, invoices, or resumes. Extractors are defined by JSON schemas that tell the system what information you want to retrieve from a document. Instead of manually reading a long report like a Form 10K, an extractor lets the platform automatically pull out key financial metrics in a structured format that your apps, reports, or workflows can use. Step 1. Understand the objective. In this tutorial, we'll extract financial ratios from Alphabet's Form 10K like revenue growth rate, net profit margin, current ratio, return on equity, and debt-to-equity ratio by creating an extractor with a matching JSON schema. Step 2. Create a collection. First, add the document to a collection so h2oGPTe can reference it. Go to Collections in the navigation. Click New Collection. Name it Extractors Demo. Upload the downloaded Alphabet Form 10K PDF. Click Create to finish. Enterprise h2oGPTe will process the document so it's ready for extraction. Step 3. Create your extractor. Next, create the extractor inside the Documents table. Open the Form 10K in the Documents list. Click Document AI, then Summarize, Extract, Process. Choose an LLM to run the extraction. In this tutorial, we use the DeepSeek AI DeepSeek R1 Shadeform model. For output mode, set it to JSON schema. In the JSON schema editor, paste a JSON structure defining each metric you want, with types and descriptions like revenue growth rate and net profit margin, all required fields. Click Summarize, Extract, Process to start the extraction job. Step 4. View extracted results. Once the job finishes, you'll see the extraction results under Recent Results in the Document AI section. Click the card for the LLM you ran to view the structured JSON output of all the extracted metrics. That's it! You've transformed raw unstructured content from a complex document into clean JSON structures using Enterprise h2oGPTe's extractor feature, making it easier to analyze, visualize, or integrate this data into downstream apps and workflows.